The next housemate to be evicted from the Big Brother Naija 10/10 house is Kaybobo. Thelma is here, by the way. I just want to show you that Thelma is here. Anything you want to say to her?
She looks funny. I can't wait to talk to her. She looks good, so yeah, absolutely.
Okay, make some noise for Kaybobo. Congratulations. Give it up for Kola.
I'm just going in with open heart. Use people's game to play my game.
And guess what?
I saw you as a friend. I valued your friendship and I appreciate your friendship.
People, I'm an emotional person.
Please sign up for this. Hold on, Doris, please. I don't like her. I'm attracted to her.
Hey, Jerry.
Don't call me Jerry. I never knew I would have someone in this house who cares for me so much. I do appreciate you so much, Missy.
This is Big Brother's Agent X.
This is the life I deserve. Arena James is not really my best friend.
Big Brother would like to make you an offer.
Decline.
What a wonderful one!
Corner, baby. And I go tell my mama. Are you feeling good tonight?
And thank you so much. I appreciate it.